Hey, I'm at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, Ohio. It's a freezing winter morning. It's below zero outside, but I'm gonna see if they're gonna let me film inside. If they do, then we'll bring you right in. So, inside, check it out. It's a really cool montage of rock and roll history and the protest against it.
Is that actually explicit lyrics in rock?
It's always listening to all the time.
So that is Jimi Hendrix studio soundboard. Okay, you definitely have to take a look around. This is the Jimi Hendrix section. This guy was brilliant. Definitely one of my favorites. This is awesome. Alright, so this is like grunge and Seattle rock. This sound really influenced me when I was growing up, because this was huge when I was growing up. So it's really nice to see all this stuff from Pearl Jam, also Nirvana, and all these other bands of that same era, Soundgarden, etc. So between the Stones and the Beatles. Story of hip hop, also huge when I was a kid, and still today. All right, so they told me that Prince's estate requested all his belongings back, so this is all the Prince we get here. Still cool. Well, they said they didn't have any print stuff, but here it is. I found it. An awesome visit to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame here in Cleveland, Ohio. If you come to Cleveland, you got to stop here, check this out. It's one of the most awesome places you can be in Cleveland. Take a look around. It's a multi-story venue. So they got I think 5 or 6 floors of really cool stuff. It's a living museum, they're telling me, so this stuff is always circulating. All right, thanks for watching.